Magandang hapon po ng November 18, 2023 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng November 18, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, November 18, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 18, 2023, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Saturday, November 18, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for November 18, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.